In this video, we are going to see that if you want to enable the extensions in incognito mode on Google Chrome, here's what you can do. First of all, let's check the extensions area. And as you can see, the one extension I have installed it, but when we open incognito window, this doesn't work here. So how we can solve this? Let's see. So what we can do is just click on this extensions, and whatever extension you want to enable for the incognito window, just click next to it on the three dots and click on manage extension. Here you will get the individual configuration of that particular extension. And we have multiple options here, but if we scroll down, it says allow in incognito. So if you want to enable this in incognito window as well, just enable this and just go back. Now, if we open the incognito window, we can see the same puzzle sign is here along with your desired extension. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.